Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Pedal Pupper and इसके पहले मैं जंतर मंतर से होके आ रहा हूँ and it's the same day that I am continuing to vlog but मैंने हवा महल का vlog separate कर दिया है because you know there were a lot of things to tell about जंतर मंतर and there are a lot of things to tell about हवा महल and मुझे वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं रखना था, so I'm splitting it into two and you might have seen okay, here's a fun fact. So you might have seen Hawa Mahal ke pictures and with the red facade and the windows and all those things. That is not actually the front side of the Mahal, it is actually the back side, but a lot of people do not know that this right here is the front side of the Mahal. So this place looks pretty clean. You also have facilities for you know, disabled people, wheelchair access. You also have washrooms here which are well maintained, and now I'll be heading inside. I was trying to get a shot of this, you know, Hawa Mahal text written outside, but I'm not able to because people are continuously coming and taking the pictures. So yeah, that is it. So again, there are stones having description about the fort, but along the way I'll be giving you all the information. I have done my own research before coming to this place, so yeah, let's just go inside. Ticket कहाँ से लेना? Thank you. So this is the entrance to Hawa Mahal, as you can see, and let me just go with the you know, the facilities that are available here. So right here you have a digital kiosk. Other than the weather details, you can also get to know a lot of other information. It's again self-service and pretty useful. Then you also have drinking water facilities available over here. Due to COVID, obviously there is no entry without a mask. Do expect some of the doors to be closed because every rooms or every passages are not accessible to the general public. So the Hawa Mahal was built by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh, who was the grandson of Jaipur's founder Maharaja Savai Jai Singh, and it was built in the late 1700s, I think 1799 to be precise. You also have a cafe right here, but I'm not sure if it's operational. For a moment I just thought that there's a person standing right over here. So yes, he is the founder, Maharaja Savai. He's the one who actually built it, Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh. As you can see, all the information will be available on you know, description pads in both Hindi and English. So it again is a convenience to the tourists and travelers. Jaipur is among the few places to receive a lot of foreign crowd. So Hawa Mahal is basically the Palace of Winds or the Palace of Breeze, and it is named very appropriately because it has 953 jharokas or windows. I will just show you. These are the smaller ones. If you can see, you can actually see the traffic outside on the main road. See some of the windows that opens up a bit more. So if you can see through this window, this opens up on the main road. So Hawa Mahal is located in the old city, of the old Jaipur city. So Hawa Mahal is located in the old city of Jaipur, and the side which the facade of this building faces is a main road of the old city. That main road runs from Chandpol to Galta Gate, and this is some restoration work is going on. So there is quite sunlight right now, and I hope that you are able to get a good view. So as I was saying, Hawa Mahal has got 953 jharokas or 953 windows, you know, which were used by the women of the royal family. Look at the festivities or the celebration, the local festivals in India and especially in Rajasthan. So because of the parda system, the women of the royal family have to keep that parda at all times. This mahal was built so that they could look outside on the main road whenever there was a victory in the war or victory in the games. So they could take a look at all these festivities without being looked at. So people could not see them through these windows, but they were able to see everything what was happening on the main road. So that is the main reason this mahal was built. And you have these colorful glass windows. So when the sunlight falls through these, they lit up the chamber with a spectrum of light, as you can see on the floor, and it's a pretty sight. This is one of the biggest. So Hawa Mahal has 5 floors, and each floor has got a name, and the ceiling height is quite low. I'm going upstairs, and the ceiling height is getting lower and lower. So there are audio tours also available, जो आप लोग entrance से ले सकते हैं, and you will see these symbols like number 9 written over here. So whenever you see this symbol, you have to skip to that number track and you will get all the information related to this particular area. So I'm going further up. As I told you, there are 5 stories. If you are someone a little bit above 6 feet, you are definitely going to have issues with the ceiling height over here. This is a narrow passageway I'm going through further up. So yeah, one more fun fact about Hawa Mahal is that it is probably the world's tallest structure which is built without a foundation. Yes, that is true. It is probably the world's tallest structure which does not have a foundation. There's a very pretty view of the city right here from the top, and I think this is the tallest point of Hawa Mahal that you can reach. So that structure that you're seeing, that is Jantar Mantar, and that right here is the city palace. So as I said that all these places are very accessible, very close to each other. It's very convenient for tourists and travelers to cover all these 3 places in one single day comfortably. Yeah, that's all the old city you can look at. And that is the market. So this is a pretty busy area, but due to COVID, you do not see as much traffic as there used to be. Another narrow passage to walk into. So the name of the person जिसने architecture किया था, so basically the architect of Hawa Mahal was Lal Chand Usta, and architecture इतना बढ़िया किया गया है. Again you can see here like audio tour के लिए you have another option over here. So the construction is done so well that in the summers when there's a lot of hot breeze that flows through, so that when enters the mahal becomes very cold, so it's actually cold breeze, and that is how the ventilation system, all those windows are working. And thanks to the fountains like these, the ventilation system is built as such that the air comes and flows through the entire mahal, going through this fountain, and it keeps the insides of the mahal, the verandas, very cool in the summers, which is again an architectural marvel. So this is the top view of Hawa Mahal, and there is the entrance जहाँ से मैं आया था. So the city life has come into play. सब लोग जाग गए. It's already I think more than 10:30 right now. But thankfully I'm done with the tour. I came in early, and even Hawa Mahal opens up at 9 AM. So I took the early advantage here as well. And now I'll be heading out. Something to eat probably. And yeah, this is where I would ask you to like the video. And definitely subscribe to the channel. And with that, drop your feedback or suggestions what you liked or disliked about the video or the places which I showed in the comments below. Another facility. It's a spooky exit to give you the exit feeling. Okay, this is kind of hidden. I might have skipped this, but this is the sculpture gallery. So these are some deities, and so this was another fountain. As you can see that there are 4 holes at the edges, but I'm not sure if it is functional now or not. But yes, these fountains contributed in keeping the Mahal cool even during the summers. So yeah, this is the actually the backside of the Mahal. But this is the iconic view that you get to see in all the pictures and all the vlogs, all the documentaries. And this is the beauty of this Mahal. And this is the main road that I was talking about, jahan pe, you know, all the festivities, celebrations used to happen and pass through this, which the women of the royal family could see very comfortably through the jharokas or the windows without being seen, and maintaining the parda system. So yes, until the next video,